Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make this. So first, search 3D Edit Recreation and join the first game. Then go over to the green screen. Then pick any possess you want and screen record ones you picked. Then go to CapCut and click New Project and import the screen recording off the game. Then click on the video and go to Adjust and go to Graphs. Then place dots on the linear and adjust them to your liking. Now just save the video. Now go to YouTube and search Space Video. Click this one and screen record it. Now go back to CapCut and make another new project and add the screen recording as the background. Then add the green screen video you made as an overlay. And then go to Cutout and click on Chroma key and pick the background. And adjust the intensity to your liking. And there you go. If you want, you can try masking. I'll also be giving a tutorial for that. First, go to Mask and click in Circle. Then blend it. Now our video has masking. Make sure to also blend the overlay for an even better masking effect. Hope this helped.